Hi all, I wanted to take a moment to share some important updates for the week ahead. We're in the midst of phase 1 of our annual budget consultation. Your opinions are crucial in helping us prioritise our council services. If you'd like to discuss this directly, we're hosting roadshows next week at Bedlinol Community Centre on Tuesday the 16th of September from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. and Trearis Community Centre on Wednesday the 17th of September from 1:30 to 3 p.m. I'll be there along with the Cabinet members and we'd love to hear from you all. You can also visit merthyr.gov.uk/have-your-say to complete the survey online or see where our other roadshows are taking place. I'm currently in the Orbit Centre where I've visited the C200 immersive experience, which will be open to the public from the 16th of September, weekdays between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. for £10 per person. Why not come along and experience history through modern technology that can recreate bygone days? It will provide an exciting opportunity to meet the Crochet family, enter the iron foundries and learn more about Cyfarthfa Castle, all in the stimulating environment of the immersive room. It's a truly fantastic experience. Lastly, I want to highlight our community's ongoing support for those in need. The Town Centre Hub is collecting food bank donations. If you're able, they're particularly looking for tinned vegetables, soups, pasta and cereals. So please, let's continue to show the strength of our community by supporting each other. It greatly helps. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend. Diolch.